and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am still in Dallas with my youngest sister here, Sophia, and we're just chilling, chilling in our Abbey Park cargo pants. Yes, thank you, Beyonce, for everything that you do. But we're just chilling in Dallas, and with Thanksgiving in a couple of days, we thought that it would be really fun to just make some nice, simple turkey cookies. As you can see, it only takes about 3 colors. We've got our brown, yellow, and our red, and then we just have these edible eyes that you can get from anywhere. We got ours from Michael's. But other than that, if you do have any questions in regards to the cookies that I use in my recipe, or how I make my royal icing, I will link those videos below in the description box. But other than that, let's get it started. Okay, and to get it started, we have Sophia. She is going to fill in the brown. How are we starting it, Sophie?
Okay, like you said, we're gonna pinch it, kind of like put it in the center of your palm so you can see the brown come out of the top. And then pinch just a little bit. And then just kind of let it fall.
Exactly.
And keep the pressure consistent. And kiss it together. That one kind of looks a little wonky, but it's okay.
You did such a beautiful job. You got this. And so with that little corner, you can just take your toothpick.
And just kind of do your best to kind of put it together still in that line.
Perfect. Ta-da! Okay, and now that you have done the outline for the cookie, what is next?
You're gonna fill it with this brown, did you just call it fill? Yeah. So, I don't really remember how to do this. I just kind of put it and then just
Squeeze it. So you're just gonna squeeze it.
and wait for it to kind of like set a little bit. So you can like see where or how much you need to put down.
Perfect.
This is kind of thick.
And so as you can see, she is starting in the middle, which is perfect because you want to have a good amount in the middle and not get too close to the outline because we don't want for that fill to go over the outline. Great, and so what she just did is she kind of settled the fill, kind of bouncing it on the plate like that, made sure that all of the bubbles were popped. And then she is just going to now take that toothpick and fill it closer to the edge. And so one thing that I like to do is kind of maybe swirl it from more in the middle, and that kind of helps it kiss the edge a little bit better.
I don't see any air bubbles.
Perfect. And just like that, got herself a wonderful circle. Perfect. And next up, we are going to put the little eyes on our turkey. Okay, so I ended up doing my cookie maybe about 10 minutes before Sophia did hers. So my cookie is dry, and so we are going to use these little eyes. Anytime you do use eyes, you are just going to use the piping that we had from before. It's kind of like a glue. So I'm just going to put this right here. And I like to put the eyes on first because it, we booped it a little bit, but that's okay. But I like to put the eyes on first because it kind of gives me a direction of where I'm going to put the nose. And for this turkey, the eyes are going to be super close. And next we are going to do the nose. So for this one, it is simple. We are just going to do a triangle for the nose. So a nice little curve. And I'm going to use my toothpick, make sure that those sides do kiss. And then we get the fill. As you can see, that was not much at all. That is all we need. We got ourselves a little nose. And the third part of this turkey cookie is the little red part on its face, which Sophia and I both learned today is called a
Waddle.
It's called a waddle, like what little penguins do. So,
But not waddle, wattle.
Waddle with T's.
Not these.
Not D's. Not D's. Okay, and now that our turkeys have dried, we gave them probably about like 10 to 15 more minutes to dry. We are just going to finish it off with the eyebrows. The final touch is the eyebrows, so just a nice little, there you go, right here, and here as well. Now with these, I think you can be fun. Mine just looks a little bit like, hey, I'm here, but you can make them angry turkeys because they're about to get eaten. Just, yeah, anything that kind of makes it a little bit more fun. Okay, and as you can see, we've got ourselves a little turkey. He looks so spooked. I'm about to be eaten. It's okay. Yes, you will be though. You will be definitely. We've got my mom and my dad waiting in the wings, ready to eat these cookies. And other than that, I want to say happy Thanksgiving, and if you're not watching this during Thanksgiving, then just happy day to you. As always, if you do have any questions, please make sure that you do DM me that or email. I would love to help you with that as much as I can. And if you do make these cookies, please do make sure that you do tag me in that. I would love to see them. And other than that, please make sure that you do like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified when I make my next video. And I'll see you all next time.